Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylane. Today we are going to learn everything about the possessive pronouns. Very easy, you will see. In the book it's page 229, only one page. I told you it was going to be easy. So possessive pronouns are used to replace a noun that was previously mentioned in the conversation. It's what mostly pronouns are about. And this one is going to replace a noun, including a possessive adjective. Because of that, they're very close to the possessive pronoun. Let's review them very quickly. We have mon, ton, son, nôtre, vôtre, leur. Féminine, ma, ta, sa, nôtre, vôtre, leur. Then plural, mes, tes, ses, nos, vos, leur. So I'm going to keep on the screen all the letters that are going to be the same. We do have 4 different columns here. We are going to have masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, feminine plural. And in English there are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, yours, and theirs. They are used the exact same way, however, they are made out of 2 words in French. They are made out of the definite article le, la, les, plus the second part, which is going to be mien, tien, mien, etc. We'll see. So what we know is that le is always for masculine singular, so we can add le everywhere. Then la is always for feminine singular, so we can add la everywhere. And then les is always for plural, no matter if it's feminine, no matter if it's masculine. I'm laughing a little bit because when I film this, I have no idea how it's going to look on the screen. So I actually don't know if I have enough space to put everything. I really hope so. Otherwise I'm just, talking nonsense right now. But I do believe I have enough space to put, I hope, 5 columns. I hope. So for mine, we are going to have le, mien, mien, rolling here, mien. La, mienne, mienne. Do you remember that at the beginning of the course, I told you that all the rules related to gender and number were very important and that it was really going to give you a good foundation that you were going to use a lot toward the course? Well, le mien becomes la mienne, just like chien becomes chienne. Same thing. Same thing. Les miens, and then we have les miens, les miennes. We just add a S. For the T, we have le tien, la tienne, les tiens, les tiennes. For the S, le sien, la sienne, les siens, les siennes. For this one, we have le nôtre. So this is not nôtre. Nôtre. This is different type of O. Nôtre, nôtre. And then here we have nôtre, which is the one with the accent. Nôtre. Le nôtre. La nôtre. And then here, because it doesn't really change, we have les nôtres. Les nôtres. Same for vôtre. We have le vôtre. La vôtre. Les vôtres. And leur, le leur, la leur, les leur. Okay? It's a lot to remember, but there's not very much to say about it. Like I said, they're used the same way as in English. We're going to see 3 examples, but really they're very easy. It's just that you need to remember them, that's all. So we have j'ai pris mon téléphone, tu as pris le tien. Did you take yours? Okay, yours, le tien. J'ai pris mon téléphone, tu as pris le tien. Second one. Ce n'est pas mon parapluie, c'est le vôtre. Ce n'est pas mon parapluie, c'est le vôtre. So here it's what we call the vouvoiement. So it's talking to a person that he has to show respect. So he can't say c'est le tien, he has to say c'est le vôtre. Okay? And if you see something and you wonder if it's yours, you can say ce n'est pas la mienne. Ce n'est pas la mienne. Isn't it mine? Ce n'est pas la mienne. I believe it's an easy lesson. You can try it with the exercise 5.5. It's a very short exercise. I hope it's as easy as I think. Tomorrow we keep going with the pronoun. We are going to see the demonstrative pronouns. So I will see you tomorrow. À demain.